And now he's eating it.
Don't feed her. Give some to Gwen. I thought you were feeding Gwen.
Bless you, Gwen.
She just gets that one. I thought you were going to feed Gwen. Or put some food on it. Yeah. So close. Keep trying. Can I turn the spoon around for you? Give Gwen some. You don't have any on your spoon. Put more on your spoon. Give Gwen some. Gwen wants some. Put some on your spoon.
Hey, if he wants to eat it, I will let him eat it. I'll open another jar.
Oh, good boy. Here, maybe if I put you a little closer. See if that helps. Give Gwen some.
It's alright.
She's hungry.
Gwen. Oh.
What is it she's eating?
Sweet potatoes.
Garrett likes that. Well, you have to give her some.